All right, I'm done. That's it. This is not clickbait. I'm telling you right now, I have had enough. I'm out of here. For those of you that don't know, I am moving back to Hawaii. Yes, this is a big announcement that I wanted to roll out. If you're watching this video right now, we are preparing to go to Hawaii to honestly just do this for good. Now, if you've been following this channel for a long time, you know that I've lived in Hawaii on and off, been traveling all over, and I've been looking for a place to build a retreat center. That's what this all comes down to, where I can do this stuff in person, offer retreats, offer yoga classes, meditation, talk about veganism. You can enjoy the raw foods, the recipes, all of it. All right, that's what this comes down to. Also, I really want to create a space for you to experience this higher consciousness. That's what this all comes down to. So let this be a personal invite to you to come on down and join me to experience this beautiful place known as Hawaii, right? If you haven't been there before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is the heart chakra of the planet. This amazing place. I've been going there since 2011, on and off. Most recently living on the island of Maui. Absolutely incredible energy. And this has to do with, I'm drawing the line. Like, I'm done living in the matrix. I'm done living in the city. I've been coming back and forth to LA, going to Sacramento, all of these cities, and with the coronavirus going on, I've learned so much about how California is running things. There's a big exodus out of California for a reason, all right? The political values here have shifted into a degree that I am no longer in value or in line with. So Hawaii is a place that has been calling me for a very long time, so I can introduce the real world beyond the matrix to people that are interested, that are sincerely interested. That's what's always been the intention behind this channel, behind the Infinite Cup, because the digital space is great, but we have to do this in person. We have to really understand what it means to meditate, to do the yoga, asana postures, to have the clean diet, to experience the pure living water. All of the stuff that I talk about right here on the channel. I want to, again, invite you to experience this with me in real life. I'm so excited, everybody. And this is like a big stepping stone for me. I'm taking a huge leap of faith right now. I want you to make me held accountable for exactly what's going to go down. Right? I'm going to just I'm going for it. Literally, we're shipping this van right here to Hawaii, and we're just going for it. We have no idea what's going to happen. All I know is I am being guided by my heart's greatest desire. There's nothing more that I want in life than to share with you these techniques and for all of you to experience this higher consciousness. So you have to do this for yourself. You see me talking about it? Well, guess what? Now it's time to follow through with action. I've had enough. I'm telling you, I'm done of what I've been doing in the past and entertaining, the ideas of rent and living in with these constrictions and regulations from the government and the state officials and the governor, all this stuff, right? It's time to create our own life. That's what this is all about. So I'm really excited about this. Follow along for the journey. Join me. I have some very, very exciting things coming out soon. So stay tuned, everybody. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to the Inner Circle members. I would not be here without you guys. Stay tuned for the retreat. Stay tuned for the updates. This is all happening. I'm so excited, and I love each and every one of you again. Peace. I'm out.